Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Hello.
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 Hi. I just spoke with you.
Oh, no, you ain't spoken with me. You must have spoken with my daughter.
Oh, okay. Can I speak with her, please?
Oh, yeah. Hold on, please. The phone. Get the phone. Pick up the phone. That lady just called. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Lady just called. The one about her and she want you. Okay. Hello?
Hi, ma'am. I wanted to apologize for whatever just happened. Did you hear that?
Oh, no, I didn't.
You didn't hear that? Okay. Well, I don't know what happened, but something happened. with the line. So we were just talking about you being in the CAP program.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay? When do you complete that program?
Oh, probably in like 2 weeks.
Okay, so then will you be interested in signing up with a supplier to get these discounts applied to your account, ma'am?
Yeah, do you guys have a phone number I can call?
Yes, we do. That's why I wanted to call you back and give that to you.
Okay.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pencil.
Okay. Our phone number is 866
Mm-hmm.
460
Mm-hmm.
7442.
And what do I do when I call?
You dial extension 137. And my name is Julie.
And where are you guys located?
Right now this call center is in Trenton, New Jersey.
Oh, so you all located in Trenton.
Yes, we have call centers all over the United States because, like I said, there's 17 different states that are deregulated that we work in. But this call center, like I said, is in Trenton.
Oh.